is showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower. So the stock has been printing high prices since the 11th of August. So it has had two straight days of gains. So on its daily chart, let's see what the extrapolation is saying. So the extrapolation is saying that lower prices will kick in from today, the 13th, and will remain in place up till Monday, the 25th of August. And then after that, it will consolidate with a slight bias to the downside. In terms of projections, as things stand right now, it has some really ambitious projections and some downward projections. We can clearly see over here. You can see over here those are the projections, the prevailing projections. You can see negative 0.5961. So obviously stocks don't print traded negatives. That tells you that they are referring to some really fractional prices. Outside that, we have a whole figure here, 2.33, and then higher prices, more ambitious projections, 10.1, 12.3, and 13.7. Earlier on, we had did we have anything? Yeah, before now, the projections were even a lot deeper. You can see negative 22.96. So, but it has been showing some strength of late. Okay, so let's have a look at its price pressure momentum. Okay, the 10-day moving average is in a strong is in a strong trend mode. However, every other indication here is negative. You can see it has negative derivatives, and the 21-day moving average has a negative value as well, indicating that it's not out of the woods yet. So you see what I mean here on the 4-hour chart. If it's not easy to see on this daily chart, so you can see, yeah, here this is 3 straight days of gains for the stock. Yeah, 3 straight days of gains. So the stock is not out of the woods yet, even though the price pressure momentum here may be indicating strength. Yeah, pretty much indicating strength. But on the daily chart, it gives a different picture. The stock hasn't, because the stock on the price on the daily chart is in a bigger picture, so it's not out of the woods yet. So it's good to you know refer this to get to balance things out. Also looking back at what is available on the daily chart. So here, the extrapolation is saying that lower prices will kick in, just pretty much in convergence with what we have on the daily chart. So lower prices are expected to kick in, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case. If market participants get aggressive on the stock, it will do the reverse. So here we have 5.14, slight downward projection. Let's see. We've already seen higher prices, $10 and some fraction. So here we have 4.9 as well. Let's see what we have here. We have 6.41, 6.21, 5.9, 3.81, 4.07, 4.49. Yeah. Okay, so we have some readout here. So the stock is drawing and heightened attention as retail and speculative traders debate the implications of its Bitcoin holdings and a strategic push into crypto-related assets. Supporters highlight that given Bitcoin's recent rally, the company's crypto investments may have already generated sizable paper gains relative to its modest market capitalizations. So the company indicated that they have their crypto investment has yielded up to $40 million. So they argued that these holdings could provide a unique floor of intrinsic value while also giving the company exposure to upside in the broader digital asset market. Beyond crypto, community discussions are increasingly focused on the company's stated ambitions in advanced technology sectors such as quantum computing and blockchain infrastructure. The company has promoted initiatives like its multi-qubit quantum state sharing model, positioning itself in markets that many see as high growth and disruptive over the next decade. Enthusiasts are comparing the company to other small cap companies that pivoted successfully into emerging tech niches, citing the potential for rapid revaluation if credible partnerships, patents, or commercial applications materialize. Skeptics, however, caution that the company's financial history paints a far more complicated picture. Frequent capital raises through convertible note purchase agreements, multiple reverse splits, and a track record of shareholder dilution have eroded investor trust. Critics warn that despite the buzz around blockchain and quantum computing, the company's past suggests the possibility of hype driven spikes followed by sharp declines. The debate has created a split in sentiment. Bulls view HOLO as a speculative high upside play in two of the most dynamic tech markets, crypto and quantum, while bears see it as a volatile ticket with structural risks that could outweigh any potential breakthroughs. As the conversation evolves, traders are also closely monitoring Bitcoin's price action, short interest levels, and the company's filings for signals that could determine whether HOLO's current momentum is let's see, is the start of a lasting move or just another brief rally. So just go in there and see what you make of the stock. Just be really careful. Be really careful. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.